Most tire shop owners think more profit comes from better pricing, bigger margins, or selling more tires. And yes, those things matter. But there's one thing quietly making some tire shops far more money than others: speed. Not rushing, not cutting corners, just being faster in the right way. And this is where many tire businesses lose money without even realizing it. In this episode, we're breaking down why the fastest tire shops often make the most profit, where most businesses waste time every single day, and how small improvements can instantly create more revenue without hiring more staff. Because sometimes the problem isn't low demand, it's hidden inefficiency. Think about how customers actually feel when they visit a tire shop. Most people don't wake up excited to buy tires. Usually, something has gone wrong. A puncture, worn out tires, an MOT issue. They just want the problem solved quickly. No long waiting, no confusion, no unnecessary delays. And here's something no one talks about. Customers often remember convenience more than price. If someone gets in, gets sorted, and gets back on the road quickly, they're far more likely to come back. And even better, they recommend you. Quick question. Have you ever lost patience waiting for something that should have taken 10 minutes? Your customers feel exactly the same. Now here's where things get really interesting. Speed doesn't just improve customer experience, it increases profit. Let's say a tire fitting job takes 90 minutes. Now imagine improving systems so that same job takes 60 minutes. That extra 30 minutes matters a lot. Suddenly, you can handle more jobs each day. Labor becomes more efficient, turnover increases, and the best part? You're not hiring more staff. You're simply working smarter. This is where most tire shops mess up. They think slow days mean lack of customers. Sometimes the real problem is operational friction. Tiny delays, repeated all day, eating profit silently. So where exactly do tire shops lose time? First, poor stock organization. If your fast-moving tire sizes are difficult to access, staff waste time walking around searching. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. Multiply that across an entire week. That's serious lost revenue. Simple fix: keep your most popular sizes easy to access. The tires you sell most should take the least effort to find. Second, poor preparation. This one is huge. Before a customer even arrives, ask yourself, do we have the tires ready? Are booking details confirmed? Any special requirements? Preparation removes delays before they even happen. And honestly, this small habit alone can dramatically improve workflow. Now, don't skip this part, because this is where efficient tire shops quietly outperform competitors. They standardize their process. The best businesses often do the same things the same way every time. Why? Because consistency creates speed. Instead of figuring things out repeatedly, staff already know the system. Less confusion, fewer mistakes, faster service. And faster service creates better business. But here's something many owners overlook: interruptions. Constant interruptions destroy productivity. One staff member asking repeated questions. Small decisions slowing everyone down. Tiny distractions all day. Individually, they seem harmless. Together, they kill efficiency. Good systems reduce unnecessary interruptions. Now, let me ask you something. Do you actually measure how long jobs take? Most tire shops track revenue, tires sold, profit margins, but very few measure time. And what gets measured gets improved. If one service consistently takes too long, there's probably a bottleneck somewhere. Fixing it could instantly improve profits. And here's the hidden benefit of speed nobody talks about: better reviews, more recommendations, more repeat business. Customers remember businesses that save them time. People talk about convenience. That place sorted me out fast. That sentence alone can bring you more customers. But be careful. There's a mistake many businesses make here. They confuse speed with rushing. Those are not the same thing. Rushing creates mistakes. Mistakes cost money. Efficient systems create speed without chaos. That's the difference. So, if there's one takeaway from today, it's this: the fastest tire shops are not always the biggest. Usually, they're just more organized. Better systems, better preparation, less wasted time, and over time, that creates more profit. So, take a look at your tyre shop today. Where are you losing unnecessary time? Stock, preparation, interruptions, or inconsistent systems? Comment below with the biggest challenge your tyre business faces right now. And if practical tyre business advice like this helps you think differently, subscribe for more simple, clear strategies focused on efficiency, profitability, and long-term growth without the fluff. If you run a tyre shop, garage, or mobile tyre fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tyres aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app, with budget, mid-range, and premium tyres all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.